I'm taking little of pottukadala. This is actually fried grams. So I'll grind this nicely and I'll bring it back. Now we'll first see the ingredients for making butter murukku. So the fried gram, what I told you to grind, I powdered nicely and I kept it here. This is the gram flour basin. This is the rice flour. So rice flour, normally we get it in the shops, raw rice flour. This is jeera. This is salt to taste and little of butter and asafoetida or hinge. And I am using water. Then I am using the measuring cups today here. This is 1 cup. This is half cup. This is quarter cup. So now I will be adding all this here. And I will make preparing the batter for butter murukku. I am taking 3 cups of rice flour. Half cup of gram flour, quarter cup of pottukadala or fried gram powder, and half a teaspoon of jeera. You take it and crush it between your palms and add it up. Then we'll add salt to taste. Approximately 1.25 teaspoon will be okay, and little of asafoetida and 1.5 tablespoon of butter. So now I'll give this a mix and add So mix it nicely with the butter and all the other ingredients. Then sprinkle the water and make the dough. So don't pour it, just sprinkle it little by little. Batter is ready, so it should be in this consistency, like how we make for chapati dough. So see, it's soft like this. And now check it up for salt. So yeah, the salt is right. It's right for me. And now one more thing I want to say is smear this with the oil inside. And what I've taken is the star achu what we have. Some of you will be having 3 of this. Even that achu murukku achu you can use it. For frying the butter murukku, I am adding the oil, heat it up. Now I am heating up the oil. To check the oil whether it is in right heat, just take a small piece and put it inside. If it settles down, it is not ready. So now it is actually ready. It is slowly coming up with the bubbles. So the oil is ready. So I am making it. And this will be like broken pieces only. Butter murukku will be like this. So it shouldn't overlap, it won't be like a full shape. Just wherever you find space, just squeeze there. Maintain the heat alone in medium always. Otherwise it will easily change its color. It will become dark color. So just maintain the heat in medium. So don't stir it in between. You should leave it for some times. So these bubbles should slower a little bit. So only then it will get cooked. So you don't have to stir in between. Just leave it for some times in medium flame itself. So turn it over. So now as the bubbles are subsiding, you can remove from the oil. So drain it nicely. Allow it to cool on a tissue paper. Like this. Cool it, allow the oil to drain there. Then you can put it in an airtight container. Now I'm done with this. It just took me half an hour. Don't forget to try this and leave your comments. Thank you. Thanks for watching.